Today class is about itinerary. Itinerary means a planned route or journey. So if you are going for a journey, you have to plan. What do you mean by planning? Example, if you are planning for a journey, you need to schedule a date, starting date and ending date, how many days. So this is called as your planned route or journey. Introduction. Every good blog post needs an introduction. So each and everything need an intro. Without intro, no one can else know nothing. Day 1, etc. This is where you lay out the stops for each day. So when the schedule starts and when the schedule end. Other useful information about what is the place, what is called as, what are the nearby places, why so famous, what are the food and what is the accommodation, plus conclusion. So decide on the stops and attraction. What are the most attracted places? Why you need to see? How many members can go? What is the budget? That is called as plan out logical routes. Be specific and unambiguous. So you have to be very specific. You have to take your medicines, take your valuable items, include captivating images. So wherever you go, you can take your video. In some states or in some cities, there is a restrictions rule, camera ban. So you have to follow the rules and itinerary. A question: essentials to open up a restaurant. So if you need to open a restaurant, what are the essential items you need? So decide the concept of your restaurant. So you have to decide where you're going to locate your restaurant. Get investment to fund your restaurant business. So you need to apply for a loan or you need to some other process to fund the restaurant. Evaluate all restaurant costs involved. So nearby all the restaurants, you have to clarify the rate of the food. Decide the location for your restaurant, that is the peak area you have to keep. Get all license required to start a restaurant business. So if you go to start a restaurant, you need a license. Get manpower for your restaurant business. So you need a waiter, you need a cashier, you need a washer, you need a housekeeping. So this is called as manpower. Design a stellar menu. So you have to design your own. How do you explain itinerary? So in what are the bases you will be explaining your a detailed plan for a journey, especially a list of items to visit, plan of travel. Already I told this. A line of travel route, an account of journey, record of travel, a book describing a route or routes of travel with information helpful to travels, guidebook for travelers. So you have to carry your guidebook. You need a guide. You need a proper accommodation. You need to know the temple timing and the other places timing in and out. You need to know the travel accommodation. Each and everything is included in it. What is the main? An itinerary is defined a detailed plan for journey. It outlines the days of travel from hometown to other town or places and details of the return to hometown. It lists the duration of stay in each place and the places to sleep. It identifies the interesting places to visit in each place. So each and every places where you need to stay, how many hours, what is the pay you have to pay for it. So these are the other process which includes in your. What makes a good itinerary? A layout into a column, such as you have to put in a tabular column: first your date, second time, third place, fourth one your address and contact details. This is the information gives you which place in which date you going to be there and what are the places you can visit, what is the duration and what is the expense amount. So do your best, plan out every moment. Now you can enjoy it without stressing once you